Let me ask you something. What is more important in speaking English? Grammar? Vocabulary? Fluency?
No.
The most important thing is confidence. Because even if your English is good, if you look nervous, if you hesitate, people feel you are not confident. And that is where many learners fail. When you speak English, you may think, am I speaking correctly? Is my grammar right? Do I sound natural? These thoughts make you nervous, and your face and body language show it. So, how do you build confidence? Simple, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, and speak. At first, it may feel strange, but slowly, your confidence will grow. Your expressions will improve. Your voice will become stronger. Your mind will start telling you, yes, I can do this. And one day, you will speak confidently, without fear. Now you may ask, what should I practice in front of the mirror? Don't worry. You can join our 14-day free trial of Speak Smart English program. You will learn exactly what to speak and how to practice. Check the link in the description or comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.